Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace messages not showing. Having trouble with Facebook Marketplace messages not showing up? Let's fix that quickly. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent your chats from flowing properly. Once it's stable, refresh the page and see if the chat heads appear. If not, open your Marketplace from the Facebook app. Tap your profile icon beside the magnifying glass and hit messages. You might find your chats there. Still can see them? Check your Messenger app. Some chats may have been archived by accident. You can also review your message delivery settings by going to Settings, Privacy, and Safety. Then Message Delivery and make sure Others on Facebook is set to Message Requests. Lastly, clear your app cache. Go to your phone settings, open apps, find Facebook, and hit clear cache. After doing this, reopen Facebook and your marketplace messages should be back in view. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.